Hey, welcome back everyone. So on today's episode, we're going to be getting some new lightage on the FD. I hate driving around at nighttime in this car because I can't see a damn thing out there. So I've been seeing a couple other videos like this where they're replacing the halogen with LED. And they kind of go about the installation, I would say, wrong. So I'm going to show you guys the easier way of putting in LED bulbs in the FD. So in the FD, people will pop up headlights and then take off the little bezel, and then there's 4 screws that people will take off to pull the actual assembly out. I believe that's wrong because those are for your alignment of getting the beam down the road. So I like going about it just by removing the top part. And to get started, you want to, there's 2 Phillips here, and then we'll flip the headlight up, take the bezel off, and there should be another 2 there, and it should expose the actual headlight assembly and the connector to get to the bulb. All right, so we got the bezel off. Obviously there's gonna be 2 Phillips here and then another 2 here. So now what I've been seeing in other people's videos, they be taking out this bracket here. Don't do that. This is supposed to level out and get this, it gets the headlight alignment done. So instead of doing that, so how we took the 2 on the backside, so you'll just take this one and this one off, then the headlight cover will pop off, and then we'll put the headlights back down to get to the actual halogen. So long halogens. So like I was saying, now the cover's off and now you're able to get to these guys fairly easy without removing your headlight adjustments up here and just making more of a hassle for yourself. And just listen to me because I'd never leave you guys astray. Oh, there's the LEDs there. We'll compare the assemblies and they look about right. I'll definitely leave part description in the comments if anyone else is trying to upgrade their lightage. But yeah, pop these guys in. There's a little tab here that will just swing out the way, and then yeah, we'll shoot him in. Just like that, and then we'll put the seal on. But what I want to do is install them on both ends. Then we'll hook up the connector and then turn the car or turn the lights on just to make sure that they're working, because I'd hate to put everything on and then find out one of the headlights is not working, to pull everything back off and then go back to the normal halogen. So just work smarter. It's not that hard. Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be seeing down the road with these guys. Yeah, good upgrade. I think everybody should do this. As far as the lighting pattern, you can't really see in my messy ass garage. Back in the old days, there used to be this suction cup that you could attach here, and it had like your adjustments, leveling meter on it. I haven't seen those in decades. I tried finding some of them on Amazon. I don't think I'm gonna find them. So what I'm gonna do for at least aligning them is just finding like a newer car and then just adjusting their beam pattern, adjusting my beam pattern to their beam pattern. So, and I believe these have a high beam on them too. Let's see. Oh yeah. Damn, I'm probably gonna be blinding some people tonight. Yeah, I'm super happy with these. So, yeah, I believe these are the H4 bulbs, but I'll put them in the comments so you guys can get your hands on these. I will say this too, is this is like your all-in-one unit. There is a couple other brands that have, it's like they have like their own power source that will come off over here, and you connect that to the power source. It's like separate from the bulb, and it doesn't work well with putting this back on, and that's why I went with these guys, because I could put the factory cover back onto the headlight assembly. Yeah, easy peasy. So definitely looks all back to factory. We'll double check, make sure lights come on. Yep, they come on. And yeah, like I said, this is so much faster than removing these guys and then being in a whole world of hurt. Just pull off the cover and then it's super easy to access. I will say this, when you go to put these covers back on, be sure to snug them down, because if you don't, you're gonna be going down the highway, you're gonna flip your headlight up and it's just gonna fly away, just gonna disappear. So be sure to keep them snug and you won't have any issues. So there we have it, everyone. Nice easy LED bulb conversion. I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and then yeah, just let me know what you guys are thinking about. I'll see you guys on the next one.